Hey everybody, it's Vicki Kenner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style, and today I want to share with you a warmer that I've been wanting, and I just never got it, and I just got it, and I want to see it in person because I've seen pictures, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So let's get to it. It is the Twinkle warmer. I think it's really pretty, so I'm excited to see it. All right, so let's open her up. Right. What kind of dish is it? I'm guessing a clear glass dish. And I'm guessing correct. You would think that I'm new or something, or that I've done this before. Okay, there. Clear glass dish. All right, let's see this warmer. I'm excited. I've seen pictures and it's really pretty. It is gorgeous. Okay. It's pretty. All right, so now I thought it was white. It's gray, which is great because a lot of my decor in my house is gray. So I thought it was like a cream color, but that's probably what it looks like when I turned it on. So let's check that out. I don't know why I thought it was cream. Maybe from pictures of seeing it lit. All right. So before I show you the warmer, I'm going to go ahead and put the bulb in. It is pretty though. All right, you guys, you ready? So this is the warmer. This is Twinkle. And now let's look up close at the iridescent little beads on it. Isn't that pretty? I absolutely love that. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so let's go ahead and put the dish on. And then we're going to plug her in and check her out. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, see, that's what I thought it looked like. Both are pretty, on or off. So that is what she looks like lit. Stunning. I love it. I love it. I already have, like, after Valentine's Day, I already have in my mind what I'm going to be doing in my living room. And this is going to be going in there. This is gorgeous. Anyway, you guys, and remember, the month of January, everything is 10% off. So you could totally get this at 10% off. I paid full price, but that's okay. You can get yours at 10% off. All right, you guys, I hope you like my video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.